We identified there are elite coaches across a range of different sports who are experiencing a range of demands associated with their jobs, ineffectively coping with a lot of those particular demands, and this was having significant implications for their performance. But what we didn't know was these particular demands could also potentially influence their mental ill and well-being.
We were fortunate enough to fund a PhD into this particular area, working specifically with the Football Association of Wales, working specifically with elite football coaches. And we've worked with the FAW ever since to start to gain an understanding of these experiences that coaches are going through from a stress perspective.
So the partnership between the USW and the Football Association of Wales is key for us to help us shape our coach education programme.
As a result of this particular collaboration, we're looking to develop a series of resources and have developed a series of resources which is seeking to help coaches ensure that they better care for themselves, to ensure that they can better care for their athletes.
How you're brought up as a football coach, it's always got to be player-centred. Well, actually, helping myself helps the players, and this for me and the researchers supported that message.
Stress is not specific to football. The work that we're doing with UK coaching is going to go to national governing bodies across a range of different sports. This could be netball, football, rugby, basketball, all sports across the UK.
But the work that Lee and Brendan have done is able and helped us to shape our courses in Wales. It's able us to try and be at the forefront of coach education.
We've influenced over 600 coaches, and as a result, I suppose, we've had a significant impact, I believe, across the football coaching demographic internationally, which is something that I know that the Football Association of Wales pride themselves on.